Hello everybody, how are you today? Muraho mwese? Amakuru yanyu? I hope you're fine. Nizere ko meze neza. Are you okay? I hope so. Mumeze neza? Ndabyizeye. Are you happy? Murishimye? I hope so. Ndabyizeye. This is Shandetier Uwingabiye from Rwanda. Murakumwe n'umwarimu Uwingabiye Shandetier uvugira mu gihugu cy'u Rwanda. Welcome to our English lessons. Tubahaye ikaze mu masomo yacu y'Icyongereza. Today we're going to look at together English conversations. Uyu munsi tugiye kureba hamwe ibiganiro by'Icyongereza. I'm gonna pretend to be the first person and the second person. Ndaza kwigira umuntu wa mbere n'uwa kabiri kuko ndi hano muri studio njyenyine. Nukurikira bino biganiro uzamenya kuvuga mu gihe kitarenze ukwezi. I'm hungry. Ndashonje. Hi Sarah, how are you? Uraho Sarah? Amakuru? Fine. How are you doing? Nimez. Wowe amakuru? Okay. Nimez. What do you want to do? Urashaka gukora iki? I'm hungry. I'd like to eat something. Ndashonje. Ndashaka kurya. Oh. Where do you want to go? Urashaka kujya he? I'd like to go to an Italian restaurant. Ndashaka kujya kuri restaurant y'Abataliyani. What kind of Italian food do you like? Nubuhe bwoko bw'ibiryo by'Abataliyani ukunda? I like spaghetti. Nkunda spaghetti. Do you like spaghetti? Ukunda spaghetti? No, I don't. Oya sijikunda. But I like pizza. Ariko nkunda pizza. Do you want something to drink? Urashaka icyo kunywa? David, would you like something to eat? Dawidi we, urashaka icyo kurya? No, I'm full. I'm full. Oya, ndahaze. Do you want something to drink? None se, shaka icyo kunywa? Yes, I'd like some coffee. Yego, ndashaka ikawa. Sorry, I don't have any coffee. Umyihanganire, nta kawa mfite. That's okay. I'll have a glass of water. Ibyo ntacyo bitwaye, ndifatira ikirahuri cy'amazi. A small glass or a big one? Igitoya se cyangwa ikinini? Small please. Igitoya. Here you go. Mwakire. Thanks. Murakoze. You're welcome. Now urakoze. That's too late. Twaba dutinze cyane. Would you like to get something to eat with me? Maria we, ese urumva ushaka gufata icyo kurya turi kumwe? Okay. When? Sawa. Ryari? At 10 o'clock. Saine mukadomo. 10 in the morning? Saine sezo mu gitondo? No, at night. Oya zijoro. Sorry, that's too late. I usually go to bed around 10 p.m. Wihangane. Twaba twakerewe. Kuko ubusanzwe njya mu buriri cyangwa njya kuryama saa 4 z'ijoro. Okay. How about 1:30 p.m.? Sawa. None se saa 7 n'igice yo. That's too early. I'll still be at work then. Naho haba ari kare cyane nzaba nyiri ku kazi. How about 5 p.m.? None se saa 11? That's fine. Yani nziza. Okay, see you then. Jizo, tuzabonana icyo gihe. Alright, bye. Sawa, cyangwa byose ni byiza. Urabeho. Choosing a time to meet. Guhitamo igihe cyo guhura. Jennifer, would you like to have dinner with me? Jennifer, urashaka gusangira nanjye ibya nijoro? Yes, that would be nice. When do you want to go? Yego, ibyo byaba ari byiza. Urashaka kugenda ryari? Is today okay? Uyu munsi hari ikibazo? Sorry, I can't go today. Nyihanganire cyangwa umbabarire, sinagenda uyu munsi. How about tomorrow night? Ejo nijoro se? Okay, what time? So, gihe is 9 p.m. all right? Saa 3 z'ijoro se yaba ari nziza. I think that's too late. Nibaza ko twaba dukerewe cyane. Is 6 p.m. okay? Saa 12 z'umugoroba nta kibazo? Yes, that's good. Where would you like to go? Yego, iyo ni nziza. Urashaka kujya hese? The Italian restaurant on 5th Street. Kuri restaurant y'Abataliyani ku gahanda ka 5. Oh, I don't like that restaurant. I don't want to go there. Oh, ntabwo iyo restaurant nyikunda, ntabwo nshaka kujyayo. How about the Korean restaurant next to it? None se, restaurant y'Abakoreani yo urayivugaho iki iri ruhande rwayo? Okay, I like that place. Sawa, aho ndahakunda. When do you want to go? Ushaka kugenda ryari? Hi, Mark! Komera Mariko! Hi! Komera! What are you planning to do today? Uyu munsi urapanga gukora iki? I'm not sure yet. Ntabwo ndabimenya neza. Would you like to have lunch with me? Urumva ushaka ko dusangira ibya saa 6? Yes! When? Yego. Ryari se? It's 11:30 a.m., okay? Isa 5 n'igice se z'amanywa hari ikibazo? Sorry, I didn't hear you. Can you say that again? Nyihanganira, ntabwo nakumvise. Wabinsubiriramo? I said 11:30 a.m. Nari mvuze ngo saa 5 n'igice z'amanywa. Oh, I'm busy then. Can we meet a little bit later? Oh, icyo gihe nzaba mfite akazi kenshi. Ese twahura nyuma yaho gato, dukereweho gato? Okay, how about 12:30 p.m.? Sawa, none se wafata saa 6 n'igice z'ikigoroba. Okay, where? Sawa, hehe. How about Bill's Seafood Restaurant? Umbaze ariko buriya wajya kuri restaurant y'ibiryo byo ku nyanja y'umuntu witwa Billy? Oh, where is that? Oh, iyo ngiyo irahagana he? It's on 7th Street. Iri ku muhanda wa 7. Okay, I'll meet you there. Sawa? Turaza guhurirayo. Ordering food. Gutumiza ibiryo cyangwa gutanga komande. Hello, sir. Welcome to the French Garden Restaurant. Muraho nyakubahwa. Murakaza neza kuri restaurant y'Abafaransa. How many? Muri bangahe? 1. Ndumwe. Right this way. Mwanyura hano. Please, have a seat. Nyabuna, ufate ibyicaro. Your waitress will be here in a moment. Ubahereza umuhereza wanyu araba ari hano, araba bagezeho mu kanya gato. Umuhereza araje. Hello, sir. Would you like to order now? Muraho nyakubahwa. ese murifuza gutanga komande ubu ngubu? Yes, please. Yego rwose. Yego nyabuna. What would you like to drink? Murashaka kunywa iki? What do you have? Mufite ibiki? We have bottled water, juice, and coke. Dufite amazi yo mu macupa, imitobe, na coca. I'll have a bottle of water, please. Ndanywa cyangwa ndafata amazi yo mu icupa nyabuna. Here you are. Mwakire. Mwakire. Here you are. Thanks for watching. This is the end of our conversation. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button right there. Uyu ni umusozo w'ibiganiro byacu. Ntibibagirwe gukanda hariya kuri subscribe. Please like. Kanda ku gikumwe. Urabukoze like. Comment. Kanda handitse comment. Wandike uti thank you teacher niba washimishijwe n'isomo ryanjye. Cyangwa usharing. Kanda handitse share maze barakujyana muri WhatsApp cyangwa Facebook. Uhereza abantu biga icyongereza. Ndabizeza ko nimwiga neza ibiganiro muzamenya kuvuga mu gihe kitarambiranye. I assure you that very soon you're going to become very fluent if you study these conversations without stopping.